So just to get over here, there's a lot going on, right?
Yeah.
But we have to start somewhere.
Yep.
And you start there by taking what we just saw in the yard, sitting it on a table, and begin to disassemble, right? So what are we looking at here? Because this is not my world.
Yeah, so this is probably the dirtiest part of the factory. This is where we disassemble. This is the beginning of the real process. These are O6E carrier compressors. We're knocking these down, so we open them up, take them fully apart, all the internals, everything will be stripped completely down back to the casting. And then from there, everything will be kind of divvied out in what direction it needs to go. To be, castings go to cleaning, parts that need to be thrown out, get thrown out, and you know, on to the next set of compressors.
So what I'm noticing here is this is very similar to an engine shop rebuilding engines, right? Or remanufacturing engines where they're pulling all the bearings out, the gaskets, everything.
Everything. They go right back to, you know, back to basics, right back to bare casting. Everything gets disassembled. It's the only way to really do it the right way. And every single one will go through the same process, no matter how it comes in the building. If it's super new, meaning it barely ran and somebody, you know, said it only ran for a day, to ran for decades, it will all go through the same process. Only way to ensure the right quality.